Hey guys, so if you've not seen already, the Tradies Compounding Console is now out for Patreon members, and just want to show you today, still testing this on demo account. You can see that actually today we closed out. So just show you is today on gold we closed out $1,319, and I've got also a running total of 540, 500 odd trades also open. You see that there, and this is because I turned this on when it turned green and it started to stack up. And you see, because it's compounding, it soon grows really quickly. And the reason why is I've taken some profit as well. I had a setting in here to take 2,000 once it's reached profit. So we did have some losses initially from this area, but it's recovered, and there's a stop loss here as well. I recommend that you do the same thing, test it in demo first, just to get familiar with all these settings. So it's really simple to use. You click on buy when it's going up, and click on sell to go down. If you want to close out early, you click on close all. Pause will stop the trading momentarily. So what it does do is every time you get a new bar, if you're buying, and if it sees the previous bar was a positive bar, it will start to buy, and vice versa. So check it out. There is a license attached to this, so you do need to make sure that you go tools, options, and add the web request, because that's where it's going to get licensing from. Okay, so yeah, check it out. Let me know what you think.